Local government gives us what we need in our community. There's a whole range of things that we need to do, and we need to work together. So by here having you tonight, here with Guri to work hard, to support Guri, to help him get elected is the most important. Guri's been a wonderful the community for a long, long time. For me, I'm very honoured to be able to stand here and support him because he is my friend and he's someone who works hard. He's got the runs on the board because he does the right thing. So now it's up to us to support him and to help make sure that he gets elected in the Aitken ward, to make sure we support the rest of our council candidates across the northern suburbs, to make sure we get the best representation for all Indian communities, all the subcontinent communities into local government here in Victoria, because it is so important that the local government, which is the coalface of governments, we get the representation there. So please, be strong, support my friend Guri, and together we'll see a very, very good council elected and very, very good opportunities for our community. Thank you.